So, there's a new tube map from May 2018, and that is these maps. And this one, as you can see, and the night tube one. Yeah, the triangle shape, May 2018. Lovely art on the underground on this one. So May 2018, Mayor of London, behind every great city. And let's look at the back on this tube map. Hey, the weather and the cloud, yes. Okay. So here I've got these tube maps with me. Yeah, I should call them train maps. And here, in my tube logo box. Hold on, just place the phone here. And here, sorry if the sorry if the camera was blurred. And here is the old January 2018 map. And January 2018. And the Mayor of London. Sorry if the camera was blurred or something. It wasn't blurred when I did the tube map. See all the colours of the lines. Now these are my 3 collections of tube maps from the maps. And the year was in 2018. As you can see on this night tube map, as you can see on this night tube map, I've got it just here, as you can see right in the camera. Yeah, so is there any more stuff I can tell you? Oh yes, I'm going to show you the colours of the lines on the train map, but maybe in the mirror or something, I don't know. As you can see, all the different colours. Night tube services operate on Friday, Saturday nights, Central Line, Jubilee Line, Northern Line, Piccadilly Line, Victoria Line and London Overground, which is quite new. And it calls from New Cross Gate to Highbury and Islington. I didn't know there was a night tube. And so I've got one more story to tell you, which is about the trains of the train map. And let's just open the train map. Let's first do the January 2018 map. card. As you can see, everything's normal on the train map. Let's look at the back. Using pay as you go is cheaper than buying a day travel card in London. Make your money go further. Yeah. Pay as you go daily caps are always cheaper than the equivalent day travel card in zones 1.9. Right, let's look at the May 2018 one. Put on the G logo box. As you can see here, that the Northern Line Bank branch will not stop between Saturday 26th of May until mid-September. That's insanely very long. Now let's do the night tube map. As you can see, that the Aligned Overground trains are not stopping at Whitechapel. And there's the red line crossing out Whitechapel. Let's look at the back, maybe. Hold on, let me just recycle. Oh, very interesting. As you can see, guys, these are my collections of train maps. I hope when there are new ones that I'll be able to buy more. No, pick more, because they're for free. Okay. Bye, guys. Hi, guys. So that's the end of our video. Please comment to subscribe. Please comment to subscribe to my channel. Cheers. Oh, and here are my free collections of tube maps. Ciao.